Welcome to SoftSpot Reviews. Greetings, and welcome to an in-depth exploration of Voicegenesis AI. This avant-garde AI application enables you to create distinct AI voiceovers by emulating your voice, utilizing publicly accessible voices, or opting for pre-crafted voices within the member's domain. In this review, we will dissect the merits and demerits of the Voicegenesis AI methodology and delve into a demonstration video. I am Mohammed from Web Traffic Toolkit, a digital marketing veteran with over a decade of experience, generating a substantial online income from the comfort of my home. My extensive expertise aims to guide you through the labyrinth of Voicegenesis AI reviews. For those eager to uncover my premier online system for generating a sustainable income, follow the link in the video description below for an unparalleled system that guarantees consistent and realistic commissions. Voicegenesis AI offers an enhanced paradigm for producing AI voiceovers, allowing for the cloning of your voice. A common drawback of AI voiceovers is their generic and robotic nature, which often lacks the trust, authority, and connection with the audience. However, by utilizing your voice or modeling it on a public figure or voiceover artist and fine-tuning it within the members area, you can achieve a more human-like voiceover. This approach fosters trust, authority, and audience engagement, potentially amplifying conversion rates for your promoted products and affiliate programs. The Voicegenesis AI system operates through a simple three-step process. Step 1. Upload a sample voice, be it your own or another sourced voice, or select from the library of voices available. This trains the system to replicate the desired sound, establishing it as the default voiceover artist for future transcriptions. Step 2. Customize the voice by adjusting the type, pitch, speed, and various emotional tones. Upload a script into the software, tweak the settings, and generate a human-sounding AI voiceover for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and advertisements. Step 3. Implement the three-step approach within the members area. The training phase requires only a 10-second clip to grasp the voice's nuances. This software can be utilized in myriad ways, such as creating video ads, social media content, video sales letters, audiobooks, podcasts, and webinars. Repurposing content with your cloned voice can also enhance engagement on platforms like YouTube. The members area of Voicegenesis AI is designed for ease of use. Input your script using the built-in ChatGPT script generator, upload a voice sample, and the system merges the script and voice to create a unique voiceover. Fine-tune the sounds to achieve the desired human-like quality. The audio editor allows you to add background music, ensuring a harmonious blend with the voiceover. Voicegenesis AI's ability to generate natural-sounding voices is impressive. While recording your voice remains the best approach for video marketing, cloning your voice is a viable alternative. For those who prefer not to use their voice, the software can modify less-known voices to sound natural and unique, fostering a stronger connection with the audience on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. In summary, Voicegenesis AI is a revolutionary tool for generating high-quality AI voiceovers. It provides a plethora of applications, from video ads to audiobooks, enhancing your content's engagement and trustworthiness. For a deeper dive into my internet marketing strategies and to discover my top online system for generating a realistic income, click the link in the video description below. That's all about Voicegenesis AI and a brief demo. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you and goodbye.